let's say you're gonna put 10 grand in a GTR to make it have about almost 700 wheel horsepower.
10 grand for 700 horsepower.
700 wheel, yeah, I would say wheel
horsepower
to the hub.
Yeah, that's important to say
the
too.
hub, yeah, because you can put a car on a dyno jet,
yeah,
and it'll say 800,
right,
and you're only making like 150 less or something like that. So yeah.
Do you feel like that's expensive for
no,
for the power? No,
not at all.
To make 700 horsepower?
No, I don't think so. Not for a car of that price range, because if you're looking at that car compared to, it's $100,000 car.
Yeah, basically.
You know, I mean, you would say it's $100,000 car. So realistically, I bought the car for 88, put 10 grand in it. It's not even $100,000 car at that time.
Yeah.
And you make it right 700 wheel.
Right.
I think the 60 to 130 was what was it? 6.7, something like that. That's fast.
6.7.
That's fast.
Damn.
You know.
That is pretty.
That's
fast.
a 10-second car.
Yeah.
You know.
That's impressive. So I think that a lot of the cars now with the newer technology, it's much easier to make a lot of power because full bolt-on, whether it's 10,000 or for my car it might be 5,000.
Yeah.
And you could make well, I don't know if you could make around the same, but you'd have to do port injection.
Yeah.
Run probably full E for sure.
Mm-hmm.
But you could do it. It's just the transmission is the only issue.
Well,
so now
GTR, same thing. Yeah.
Right. So now the
horrible.
14s and what is it? 09 to 14 are the bad years?
09 to 2015, 14, yeah, something like that.
Are the bad years for the transmission. So you have an 18, so you're good.
Yeah,
right?
it was good.
Okay.
The car was running great. We decided, I'm not gonna lie, I went to my hometown. It's like, bro, once you're in it, you're in it.
Yeah.
So like, I remember I raced, who did I race? A buddy of mine built CTSV. It was fast.
Yeah,
he barely beat me, and I was so mad. I was just full bolts on at the time.
Yeah.
So I called the shop. I was like, yo, how much for turbos? Just to do turbos. When I tell you, and I recommend this to anybody who wants to have like close to 900 wheel, the 750X kit, bro, that will wake a GTR up like unreal.
So what is it called?
The 750X kit.
So what can you talk about what that comes with?
Yeah, so it's just the turbos. They take the stock housings.
Okay.
They put bigger blades,
Stock
bigger
location?
hot. Yeah, stock location.
Okay.
It looks stock.
Right.
I brought it to the Nissan dealership, and it just looks stock under there. It's nothing crazy.
So you'll never know.
You never know. 750X kit it's so fun, but we're talking about doing you do like 30 psi, making with cats on the car. Because I'm in California.
Yeah.
I'm going to take no chances. I'm like, fuck it, That car made 848 wheel on a hub dyno with cats on the car.
With cats.
Without a front mount intercooler, too. A stock front mount.
Bro.